Hello friends, today in Maths chapter 7 Coordinate Geometry. We will study exercise 7.2 solution. So question 1 we have, find the coordinate of the point which divides the join of -1, 7 and 4, -3. So here 2 points are given, a x1 y1 is given, -4 7 and -1 7 and b x2 y2 is given, or -3. And the ratio m is to n is given 2:3. Then we have to find out the coordinates of the division point. So coordinates of the division point, for that we have x coordinate formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, and y coordinate formula m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So here we submit the value. M means 2 into x2 means 4 plus 3 into -1, 2 plus 3. So 8 minus 3 by 5, that is 5 by 5, 1. And so here 2 into y2 minus 3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3. So -6 plus 21 by 5, that is 15 by 5. And so required point is one three. We have the question to find the coordinates of the points of trisection of line segment A 4 -1 and B -2 -3. So we have A 4 -1, B -2 -3. So its trisection means 3 equal parts, so that P and Q 2 points are there. It divides AB in 3 equal parts, and so here we can write ax1 y1 equals to 4 -1, bx2 y2 equals to, we can write -2 -3, and P divides AB in 1:2 ratio. So m is to n equals to 1:2. So x coordinate we have mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Y coordinate we have m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So we submit the values. So 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4, 1 plus 2, here 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 1 plus 2. So here -2 plus 8 by 3, so 6 by 3, which is 2, and here -3 -2 by 3, so -5 by 3, and so pxy equals to 2 minus 5 by 3. While Q divides, we can see Q divides AB 1 and 2 parts, and this side 1 part. So AB in 2:1 ratio, and so we can write that x is equals to mx2 means 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 by 1 plus 2, and y is equals to 2 into -3 plus 1 into -3, 1 plus 2. So it is minus 4 plus 4 by 3, and here minus 6 minus 1 by 3. So this is 0, and here minus 7 by 3. And so QXY point is equals to 0 minus 7 by 3. We have the question 3. To conduct a sports day activities in your rectangular shaped school ground, ABCD lines have been drawn with chalk powder. So here A, B, C and D lines have been drawn with a chalk powder at a distance of 1 meter each. So the gap between this distance is 1 meter to each. 100 flower pots have been placed at a distance of 1 meter from on the AD. So here first is the 1 meter, then second will be on the 2 meter, third will be on 3 meter. So such a 100 flower pots are there, and so AD length will be 100 meters. So 1 flower pot flower pots are arranged. 100 flower pots are arranged with a distance of 1 meter each, and therefore AD equals to 100 meter. Now as shown in the figure, we can see Niharika runs 1/4 the distance AD in the second length. So Niharika runs 1/4 distance of AD in the second length, and so Niharika's place equals to AB. In the second place 1/4 of AD in the second length. And so second lane means lane numbers are on x-axis we count, and the AD distance we take count. So x coordinate 2 as A runs in the second lane, and y coordinate 1/4 of AD. But AD we have 100 meter, so 2 into 1/4, sorry 2 comma 1/4 into 100, and so Niharika's place will be 2 into 2 comma 25. Now Preet runs 1/5 distance of AD in the 8th line. So Preet's place will be in the 8th line 1/5 of the AD. So 8th line means x8, and here 1/5 of AD. And so 8 into 1/5 into 100. So it will be 8 comma 20. So Preet's place we have 8 comma 20. So what is the distance between both the flags? So here 825 is there. So 20 is there. Here for 20. Sorry, 225 is there. So the distance between these 2 points. So we have to find out distance formula with that, and so the Niharika's place we write N and Preet's place we write P. Then NP distance equals to 8 minus 2 square plus 20 minus 25 square by distance formula. So it will be minus 6 square plus 6 square minus 5 square. And so it is 36 plus 25, that is 11 carry 1, 61. So the distance between them is 61 meter. If Rashmi has to post a blue flag exactly halfway between the line segment joining the 2 flags, where should she post her flag? So now Rashmi wants to make the exactly half distance. Okay, so half distance of these 2 points means the midpoint of the line segment and midpoint of line segment. So Rashmi's place is midpoint of NP, and so midpoint of NP we calculate. So R is equals to 8 plus 2 by 2 and 25 plus 20 by 2. So it is 10 by 2 and here 45 by 2. So it will be 5 and 22.5. So Rashmi has to put in the fifth slab in the 22.5 meter distance the flag. Now we have the question for find the ratio in which line segment joining the points which ax1 y1 is given minus 310 and bx2 y2 is given 6 minus 8 is divided by, so division point pxy is given minus 1 6, then say that find the ratio m is to n. So we can use any, we have x coordinate mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n and y coordinate m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. So here both the coordinates are known, so any one coordinate you can use and find the m is to n ratio. So we take the x coordinate, so x coordinate minus 1 m x2 means 6 plus n into minus 3 by m plus n. So m plus n multiply this side, then minus n equals to 6m minus 3m. So n terms we take one side and m terms, so 3n will come this side, then 3n minus n equals to 6m plus m. So 2n equals to 7m, and so 2 by 7 is equal to m by n, and so the pxy divides the AB in m is to n ratio. Similarly, we have the question 5. Find the ratio which the line segment joining A1 minus 5. So question 5 we are given that ax1 y1 equals to given 1 minus 5, bx2 y2 is given minus 4 5 and divided by the x-axis. So line segment is divided by x-axis means pxy. Now we know that for the x-axis y coordinate is always 0, and so the point is x0. Then find the coordinate of the division point also. So here only y coordinate is known, so we will use y coordinate formula mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. We want to find out m is to n ratio. So y coordinate known, so with y coordinate we will find out. So it is mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So here 0 equals to m. We don't know x2 5 plus n into minus 5 by m plus n. So m plus n multiply 0 means it is 5m minus 5n equals to 0. So 5m equals to 5n. So m by n equals to 5 by 5 means 1 is to 1. Now we will calculate x coordinate. So x equals to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. So it is 1 into minus 4 plus 1 into 1 by 1 plus 1 minus 4 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 3 by 2, and so require point minus 3 by 2 comma 0.